Join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
Little chicks woke up with the sun, cheeping and chirping, ready for fun. The grass was green and the sky so blue, a perfect morning for a playful crew. The wind blew softly across the field, tickling the flowers, making them yield. Chicks ran and hopped with tiny feet, dancing along to the breezy beat. They twirled around in the swaying grass, racing the butterflies as they pass. A leaf floated by on the gentle breeze, and the chicks jumped high with laughter and ease. The pond shimmered in the morning light, reflecting the chicks in a sparkling sight. They splashed in puddles and shook their wings, making ripples and giggles that joyously sing. A friendly bumblebee buzzed around, joining the chicks with a playful sound. The wind whispered secrets through every tree, inviting the chicks to dance so free. Little la 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 la. Little clouds drifted in the bright blue sky, shading the chicks as they hopped nearby. They tumbled, they rolled, they chased each other, laughing and playing like sister and brother. As the sun climbed high and the day grew warm, the chicks nestled together, safe from